Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Aquarius for December 2020. Education. Ganesha says December horoscope prognosticates that the period after mid-month seems promising for those who wish to seek greater education from overseas. Do not misplace faith and remain resolute on your route to victory. Also evade getting engaged in any conflict or gossip and preferably focus on your education as you are inclined to diversions. Nevertheless, Saturn and Jupiter's spell on your zodiac sign between the month will end till the last, and it will assist you to achieve fine results in your exams. Career. You will definitely thrive in terms of career. You will love working and you will shoot hardships, and it will be a piece of cake for you, and due to this you will make abundant progress. You will also get some new job offers, but try to evade them, or if you acquire them, then make sure that you are taking properly. Business. Natives of Aquarius can certainly acquire a vehicle during this month. If you are planning to shift to your new house, then economically your siblings will make you strengthen. They might even assist you for starting a new business. If you invest in the share market, it will not make any difference in enhancing your financial stability. You might face banking related issues, but don't bother about that because that will be transient. Love. Don't be concerned about love and romance this month because the results you will acquire at last are quite ordinary. You can go together for a trip and you will enjoy it. Apart from that, many people will get attracted towards you, but don't jump into such distractions. Think twice before taking any step. Marriage. A native of Aquarius has a very common marital life this month. There might be some disputes with your partner, but you will be able to resolve it quickly, and apart from that, it's a nice time to take your partner for a trip. Just confirm them before buying the tickets. Try not to give them such surprises. Kids. There are chances of your children getting married this month. Apart from that, if you have a daughter, allow her to go abroad for higher education. In this month, you can also buy electronic items for your children. It will be beneficial for them, and due to this, they will be even more connected to you. Overall, this will be a good period for you. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.